to show our acknowledgement, appreciation, encouragement for what he has done. That's the reason why we're here. Let's not forget that. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So with a torrential round of applause, we're going to clap like a rainfall, like. And that's all. All right? So if you're ready, are you ready? Can we do it? All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. I like the energy. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Tomato in here. Tomato, man. Thank you so much. Please listen up, please. Do you know that if you know what you want, you can get it? Do you know that? And do you also know that our lives start dying the moment we stop smiling, the moment we stop wanting?